Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off your DST function on your Casio G-Shock. Today we have the Casio GA100, but this tutorial is going to work for a bunch of other Casio G-Shock watches out there. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3-4 seconds until you hear a beep. Once you do that, you are going to see the home city. Now we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options and to arrive at the DST. Now I'm going to use the forward button in order to turn on or off the DST function. As you can see, when I switch it on, you can see that we have the hour changed and also the DST appears. Now if I press it once again, I can switch it off. Once you have finished the process, all you need to do is to press the adjust button and you are done. You have successfully switched on or off the DST function on your Casio G-Shock watch. I'm going to have a full guide with all the features and functions of the Casio G-Shock GA100. So if you are interested, make sure to follow the link in the description below, guys. If you enjoyed this type of content, if you found value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.